Hello Internet, today I would like to show you how I print one of my patterns. After you have the file, you will need to download and install Adobe Acrobat Reader. To install Acrobat Reader, open your browser and type adobe.com/downloads. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Adobe Acrobat Reader. Uncheck the optional offers and click the yellow download button. Once this is done, click on the installer and then click Run. It will begin to install. This may take a few minutes. After it's done being installed, uncheck Launch and hit Finish. Browse to your PDF pattern file and double-click to open. With the file open in Acrobat Reader, click on the Print button. In this print dialog box, click on the Poster button and hit Cut Marks and Labels. If you're satisfied with the preview on the right, simply click Print.